Totally going to YouTube. Joking.
Right in the way.
Yep.
Watch Whitney used to come out that thing.
Oh god, that would be cool.
I dare to go over there. I dare someone to go over there and just put their finger.
Okay. Why would you?
It only has to be done.
Should we clap?
No, I don't think we should. I can't clap. I'm videotaping this.
Should we cheer? Because it's going to go on YouTube?
Yep.
So I'll be able to see it?
Yep.
Because I'm subscribed to you. Is my voice on the video? Hi,
I guess
Mom.
so. Total recording it.
Mom, I'm on YouTube. My voice is on YouTube.
Now I'm reconsidering it now.
Boring. I want to give a shout out to my brother.
You have a brother?
Woo! Mom, I'm on TV.
And I got video and pictures. Oh, thank you.
And I got you saying that.
Upload this on YouTube.
Yeah, you did.
I'm subscribed to him on
Hi!
YouTube, so every time he posts a video, I get to see it. So I get to see it.
It really doesn't. You really can't flip a camera unless you poke the button in the middle here.
I'm on TV.
He's talking about flipping off the camera.
Oh, do it. I'm joking.
I got my Jessica.
What?
You're on YouTube.
I'm not posting this on YouTube.
I don't care if you do.
Oh, yeah, no, I'm posting it on YouTube.
Bye, Mom.